We're gonna have a Budo fight, seafood Budo fight, and pato. But today is we're going to clean first. We're going to clean the Kubo farm first, and then we're gonna have, because tomorrow or the next day we're gonna have Budo fight.
You just said that.
Yeah, but I have to repeat it again. We gotta have a Budo fight, seafood Budo fight in pato, with pato. Dalawang pato. And, Marna, where's your kambing? Where's your kambing?
Kambing, I will ask a Hawaiian.
General cleaning. General cleaning. Come on, go pick the kawayan, the wood.
Asshole farm, yeah.
Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Cleaning time. Kasi magre-ready kaming mag-Budo fight. Seafood with pato Budo fight.
Bagaman, kinikwan, kinilan.
Tita, di ba magpapaano ng
Papalinis
ngipin
ka,
niya?
ano?
Oo.
Kinikwan na yun. di ba? Yung...
Titikman niya lang naman.
Titikman niya lang naman.
Ayaw.
lang.
Lagay mo lang dyan.
Ito sa lito.
Doon mo ako sa likod.
Ito na